zdaj pa v svet zvezdnikov. Benota smo prejšnji teden poslali na festival slovenskega filma. In Beno, kako je bilo?
Ja, veš, Jure, ni mi ratal. FSF je bil, smo malo zamudili, ampak sem našel nekaj podobnega in intervjuval čist malo drugačne zvezdnike.
Malo se bojim vprašati.
Ja.
Še bolj se bojim pogledati.
Ja.
Dajmo si pogledati. Faktor Beno.
Danes sem bil poslan na festival slovenskega filma, ampak ker je ta potekal že oktobra, sem šel na malo drugačen festival. Erotic Days, kjer lahko namesto filmskih zvezd intervjujem porno zvezde. Erotični sejem se še začel ni in so tle že reševalci. Spolne bolezni niso šala. To je priložnost, da se lahko dotaknem industrije, ki je polna ljudi, ki vsi dotikajo drug drugega in da obdelam temo, o katero se lahko zares poglobim. Da bi se o erotiki naučil čim več, sem si takoj našel par prijaznih sogovork. Can you help me? I'm kind of lost here.
Okay.
Can you help me find the clitoris?
The glitter.
Yeah.
Okay. A ti veš, kje je klitoris?
Yes, yeah, definitivno.
Cut.
What do you do?
I'm a porn star.
Oh, I'm a porn watcher.
Good for you.
Thanks, yeah. Yeah, I mean, not professionally. I only do it in my free time.
You can do it instead of working or during your work. Some people like to do it.
I actually do it. Sometimes, you know.
Naučili so me tudi, kaj pomeni biti prava ženska.
Sorry, lahko samo ene par vprašanj.
Spoznal sem tudi raznovrstne spolne preference.
I like Japanese porn.
Hentai.
Anime with tentacles and strange animals. So I think I like the crazy porno.
Okay, cool.
Not so human.
Not human?
Not so human.
That's a shame for me, because I'm a human.
Sorry, I don't want to f*** you.
It's not my first time I've been told that today.
But you're similar to Harry Potter, so...
I'm like Harry Potter?
Yes.
I have a magic wand.
Penetration! Erectibus!
In spoznal tudi znane obraze.
Hi.
Hi,
I'm Bena.
my name is ALEXIS CRYSTAL.
I'm pretty nervous to be talking to you.
Yeah, why?
Because no, I'm starstruck, you know? I'm porn starstruck.
Okay, so do you definitely know me?
I
You look like very nervous now. When I ask you if you know me, you look very like...
What do you do when you get nervous on set?
Just because you are so nervous, I'm just like...
No.
I'm not getting nervous.
No, do you imagine
now?
everyone naked?
Now?
Yeah.
Now I'm getting nervous. Stop it! Stop it! I'm not nervous on the set normally. I was. When I started, I was very nervous.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, of course. But now, because I do this job for 11 years, so it changed.
Okay, movie stars have the Hollywood Walk of Fame, right?
Yes. We don't have it.
Do you guys have the Hollywood Walk of Shame?
Walk of shame? Why we should have a walk of shame?
No, it's just a joke.
It was a bad. This one was a bad. You really.
Forgive me.
Oh yeah. I think you should get on your knees and ask me for the. For sure. This was so bad. Do it. Do it.
Please forgive me.
Yes, I forget
Okay,
now.
okay. Thank you.
Okay. There is no shame in this job. This is not a normal job.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not a normal job, but you can still do it on a level. Like you can do it as a lady. I'm always saying this. Come on. It's
No,
different
it's
type
the
of
same.
actresses,
No,
you know?
it's the same. You know, I act in sketches and stuff, and I feel like it's pretty much the same. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we both got screwed by the boss.
Okay, this interview is over.
Please no. What's the craziest thing you've done?
I don't know. I mean, like, I should like some orgies. I should like a D piece. I should like stuff in the Japan, so it was like a lot of cam shots on the face, things like that.
I do some crazy stuff too, you know.
What kind of stuff?
Well, one time with my girlfriend, we had sex with the lights on.
You're so funny, I love you. I understand why I'm nervous.
4 people is a foursome, right?
What? Sorry.
4 people is a foursome.
No.
3 people is a threesome.
Threesome. What is
2 people is a twosome, right?
A twosome. It's not called twosome.
No?
Definitely. No.
What is it?
I don't know. It's like the normal basic sex.
Oh,
It's
okay.
2 people.
Oh, yeah, 2 people. Yeah. But what is it called if you're home alone with a body pillow?
Body sum. No, what the f*** is this?
Because my ex always said that it was sad that I do that.
Oh, okay, I'm
Yeah.
so sorry for you.
Yeah.
But wait, if it's your ex-girlfriend say that.
Yeah,
You say that?
yeah.
So you don't have a girlfriend now.
No, I have I have a
I'm not
wife.
surprised. Surprised? I'm surprised now. Okay.
Naučil sem se, da je svet erotike poln zanimivih osebnosti, s tem, da ima vsaka svojo lastno zgodbo. Zraven pa sem dobil tudi izkušnje iz prve roke.
Can I hold your hand?
Hand?
Yeah.
How?
It's kinky.
Predvidevam, da si roke še nisi umil.
Ne, in se tudi ne bom.
Upam, da naslednji teden ne boš imel glaska Grims. In ko je bilo drugače?
Ja, počutil sem se kot v tematskem parku. Tak Legoland za odrasle.
Okay.
Samo namesto legic so prodajali dildote.
Čak, vse, kar si počel, je bilo to, da si kupoval dildote pa flirtu s puncami?
Ne, dobil sem tudi ROCCO SIFFREDIja. Ja, svetovno znanega zvezdnika, ki ga prej tudi še nikoli nisem videl. Oblečenega.
A sta se rokovala? Dajmo si pogledati.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is Beno.
Nice to meet you, Rocco.
Hi. What have we seen you in before? Except for thousands and thousands of women.
He knows everything. This guy knows everything about me.
In your documentary, 2016, you talked about retiring for a bit. Why did you retire? Did you read the contract and realize you were getting screwed?
Yeah, it was like this. From life.
What do I need if I want to become a movie star like you?
Small dick, very small.
Well, that's great because I have that. Yeah.
That's good, then you will be the next one. Big dick is like everybody, so...
That's what I say to girls, you know. What's the craziest thing you've done sexually?
I still search for it.
Okay, cool.
Still looking for...
Yeah. Because I've done some crazy stuff too.
Yeah?
I've
For you.
yeah, I've one time with my girlfriend we had sex with the lights on.
Wow.
Would you consider yourself a method actor? And which method do you use? The pull-out method?
Method?
Yeah.
Stanislavski.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Stanislavski. Me. Him, different one.
Okay. I got a couple of original porn movie titles, and could you rate them from 1 to 10?
Okay.
How much you like them? Okay. So the first one, The Shawshank Erection.
I didn't see the movie.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's the problem. Bad
Okay.
jokes if I don't know the time.
That's true. How about Woodfellas?
That's not bad.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like.
How much would you give it?
1 to 10.
Yeah.
Already very high. 8 maybe.
Oh, thank you. Porn Star Wars.
That's pretty good too.
Yeah.
This is the word of the porn stars, so pretty good. 9.
Okay, thank you. Godfather remake. It's called God Daddy.
That's me. That's me.
Yeah.
I'm at the age 58. I'm a filth, and all the girls calls me daddy. What the am I still doing here?
If you want to buy the title, you can have it for free.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next one. Pacific Rimming.
Pacific rimming, I would say probably one of the best idol. Pacific, but I don't like Pacific. It's like Pacific. I like violent rimming. So I would say 3.
And the last one, Mad Max Fury Load.
That's pretty strong. Let's give it 10 to Mad Max.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
In Beno... Ja, okej. Super. Daj povej, kakšen je Rocco osebno prijazen?
Ja, Facebook prijazen kot v njegovih filmih.
Hvala lepa, Beno. Na Erotic Days je bila ponudba očitno zelo huda. Mene pa zanima, kakšna je kaj v reklamnih letakih. Hej, preden greš, klikni tukaj in se naroči na naš YouTube kanal. Imamo pa tudi TikTok, Instagram in Facebook, tako da le urno.